Welcome to linuxhelp.com. In this tutorial, we will see about overview of Jenkins. First of all, we will know what is Jenkins. Jenkins is a free and open source automation server. It helps automate the parts of software development related to building, testing, and deploying, facilitating continuous integration and continuous delivery. It is a server-based system that runs in servlet containers such as Apache Tomcat. In this tutorial, we will see about the overview of Jenkins. Jenkins is the most popular of continuous integration and continuous delivery and continuous deployment tools. First of all, we will see about continuous integration. Continuous integration is as a tester, we will only use about continuous integration at 95%. Continuous delivery and continuous deployment is refers to if you are working on development side and if you have all the rights to push the code from your local to your server, then only you can use continuous delivery and continuous deployment. First, we will see about continuous integration. Whenever we add some new code and commit it to repository, we have ensured that the new one shouldn't break the existing working code. So it mandatory to run automated tests for every new commit. This kind of continuous integration testing process is called CI. It means in every project there will be multiple developers are working in every models. The developers are doing some changes on the local machine. For example, some developers are doing the calculator program, addition, division and multiplication. One developer is doing addition. He can do the all the codes for the addition process on his local machine. If you merge the codes from the all developers to one server, sometimes it will work and it will not work also. On that time, the continuous integration is helps. You can merge all the codes together and check if the code is executed correctly or not before it is deployed to the live server. That is the main process of continuous integration. Then we will see about continuous delivery and continuous deployment. Continuous delivery, it is like a preparation process, the process of making the code to be deployment. Once you are integrating the entire code and testing is completed, then the code will be ready to deploy to the live production server is called CD delivery. The CD delivery is the next process of the continuous integration. If you test and integrate the entire process and entire code of the particular project, then it will be ready to deploy your server. In this continuous delivery part, if the client need any changes also, you can do one test here before deploy to your live server. Because you deploy the changes directly to the live server, it will be affect on the end users also. Before you upload the every changes to your live server, you must need to test, and that way Jenkins helps to the developers to test their codes easily and they can debug their codes very easily before continuous integration is implemented. If the debugging of the entire code is takes 1 week, 1 month or many more days, after Jenkins is introduced, the debugging process is very easy. In every environment, the developers have used Jenkins to deploy their codes. Now we will see about CD deployment. This is the last process of the integration procedure. It will deploy your codes to your live server. It means if you are testing and integration the entire code from your local, it will be satisfied to your, then you can deploy the codes to your live server. It will be appear on the end users also. This is the overview of Jenkins. In upcoming videos, I will show you how to download and install Jenkins and all other features. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and also to watch more tutorial, please visit our website www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com. Thank you.